Very good morning children. I Sri Lakshmi, your physics teacher, BAV RTPT. Today we are going to discuss about lens maker's formula. In last class already we have discussed lens formula. What is lens formula? That is 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. Here lens maker's formula. Lens maker's formula. What is lens maker's formula? 1 by f is equal to n minus 1 of 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. 1 by f is equal to n minus 1 of 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. This is the lens maker's formula. In this, where f is focal length, n is refractive index, r1 and r2 are radius of curvature of convex lens. What? F is focal length, n is refractive index and r1 r2 are the radii of curvature. So for that, let us consider a convex lens. This is the convex lens. And this OPQ line is the principal axis of the convex lens. And the refractive index of A we have taken NA means, and NB is the refractive index of the lens. NB is the refractive index of lens and NA is the refractive index of outside medium. So here outside medium we will consider as A. So we will take NA as the refractive index of A. NB is the refractive index of glass. That means lens is made up of glass. So we have taken the refractive index of glass, that is NB, and NA is again the refractive index of A, that is outside medium. Here we have taken O is the object and I is the image. Here the light gets refraction 2 times at one of the surface and the other side of the surface. So here 2 times refraction takes place. So when the light ray gets refracted at one time, if the second surface is not there, then the image will be formed at this point. Due to presence of the second surface, again refraction takes place at the second time, so that light ray gets refracted and it will meet at this point. So image is formed here. This image is formed due to only first surface of the lens, and this eye is formed due to the both refraction. Due to the refraction occurs twice, 2 times. I is the image. The distance between pole and object is object distance u, and the distance between pole and image we have taken as v. Here another one more image is there, that is q. The distance between the pole and the image is taken as x. Now to derive the lens formula, first of all we will consider the curved surface formula. What is the curved surface formula? Curved surface formula is for n2 by v minus n. Curved surface formula n2 by v minus n1 by u is equal to n2 minus n1 by r, where n2 is refractive index of second medium, n1 is refractive index of first medium, and v is image distance and u is object distance. V minus n1 by u is equal to n2 minus n1 by r. So here first medium is A, so refractive index of first medium is Na, and Nb is the refractive index of second medium, and R1 is the radius of curvature for first surface. So we will apply all these in this formula. Here N1 is refractive index of first medium is Na, and refractive index of second medium N2 is Nb, and image distance V is equal to, here image distance is x and object distance is u only, and here object distance is minus u because it is in this way according to sign conventions, and r is equal to plus r1. We have to substitute all these in this expression, then we will get N2 means NB by V. V means X here, so X minus N1. N1 is NA here, so NA by U. U is object distance, that is minus U, so we will write minus U. That is equal to N2 minus N1. N2 means NB, N1 means NA, so NB minus NA by R means R1, that is plus R1. Let this as equation number 2. Similarly, we apply the same curved surface formula for the second surface. That is for second surface. This is for first surface. Similarly, for second surface, N1 means NB. So for second surface, the refractive index of first medium is NB and refractive index of second medium is NA. So this is N1 value, this is N2 value. And V, image is I, so image distance is V, and object distance. So for this object is on that side, so that is X, and radius of curvature is minus R2, that is this side. So apply this in this expression, then we get N2 means that is NA by V. V means V only minus N1. N1 means here NB by U. U means here X. That is equal to N2 minus N1, that is NA minus NB by R. So here R means minus R2. Let this as equation number 2. So by applying these in curved surface formula, we got equations 1 and 2. Now we will add this 1 and 2. So first we will add the LHS items, that is NB by X minus N1 by U is plus NA by V minus NB by X. Here minus into minus plus will take. Here minus into minus plus, so we have taken plus NA by U. NA by U is equal to plus. So here we are adding these two, that is why we will take a plus from second equation NA by V minus NB by X is equal to NB minus NA by R1. Again here negative is there. Now we multiply this minus on the numerator, then we will get NB minus NA by R2. Here this plus NB by X plus NA by U plus NA by V minus NB by X is equal to, from these two terms if we take NB minus NA as common, here we have taken NB minus NA as common, then we get 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. Here plus NB by X minus NB by X, these two get cancelled, and from these two terms if we take NA as common, then NA of 1 by U plus 1 by V is equal to NB minus NA of 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. If we send NA to that side, then 1 by U plus 1 by V is equal to NB minus NA by NA of 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. Now we have to apply sign convention rules. If we apply sign convention rules in this figure, where V is positive, U is negative, and R1 is positive, R2 is negative. These two are negatives. So we apply the same. Then we get U as negative. So in place of U, we will write negative, that is minus U. So I will write on top 1 by U is negative, so 1 by minus U plus 1 by V is equal to, so you will split this NA denominator to both terms, then we will get NB by NA minus NA by NA of R1 is positive and R2 is negative, so 1 by R1 plus 1 by minus R2. Already we know according to Lenz's formula 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. So instead of this term we are writing 1 by F, that is equal to, here NA get cancelled. So NB by NA minus 1 of 1 by R1, here plus into minus 1 by R2. Therefore 1 by F is equal to refractive index of second medium by refractive index of first medium, we will write as relative refractive index, that is NBA of 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. This is the derivation for Lenz-Maker's formula. 1 by F is equal to N minus 1 of 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. This is the Lenz-Maker's formula. Thank you children. After watching this, you have to write this derivation 2 times. Thank you.